Funnelify is a new, first-of-its-kind, groundbreaking app which finally allows you to deliver separately auto-generated mobile pages with unheard-before lighting speed. Plus, it skyrockets your desktop pages speed as well. Funnelify allows you to create affiliate funnels, sales funnels and web pages by simply swiping done-for-you templates and snapping them into place. It also allows you to get free traffic to your pages in many different ways. Funnelify automatically creates separate mobile pages with reduced size of images to achieve incredibly fast loading speed for viewers on phones. Funnelify features: no domains needed, hosting included. No tech skills needed, all done for you. Next-gen fully cacheable funnels and pages. Auto-generate even 9 times smaller and faster pages. Automated traffic, leads, commissions, and sales. You get 220 done-for-you made mini template blocks which allow you to make all kinds of pages by simply swipe and snap. Join Funnelify and enjoy the unheard lighting speed of your mobile and desktop pages. Vendors Funnel's proprietary MPO technology generates your ultra-optimized mobile pages from desktop pages in a click. It includes both automatically reducing the size of images and generating pages, which can be entirely cached close to the viewer's location. Businesses, marketers, and entrepreneurs all could be charged $500 or more for the same type of pages or funnels which you can make with Funnelify in just minutes. Funnelify can do for you. When the funnel is set up the right way, it can drive traffic, leads, commissions, and sales hands-free and on complete autopilot. What makes Funnelify even better is that it allows you to use multiple sources of traffic at the same time. It empowers you to do all that job automatically with a click. Its cutting-edge proprietary MPO technology not only automatically clones, optimizes, and serves the special mobile-only pages, but on top of all that, it automatically reduces the size of all images, which can make mobile page size even 9 times smaller. With Funnelify, you can say goodbye to unnecessary latency by leveraging massively distributed global network. It, combined with CloudFlare, makes your web pages faster and more reliable than ever. Plus, it allows you to respond with confidence to traffic spikes and makes your customers thanking you with their wallets. It is designed to help you multiply your leads, commissions, and sales with proprietary MPO technology and done-for-you landing pages, affiliate pages, sales funnels, and more. With Funnelify, you can finally say goodbye to WordPress and all its security problems, complicated themes, slow and clunky plugins, which so often conflict with one another. With Funnelify, you will be able to create high-quality converting leads pages, affiliate pages, sales funnels, business pages, and you will never need to pay a web designer again. Funnelify frequently asked questions. Q. Is web hosting included? A. Yes, web hosting is included, so you do not have to pay a lot of money separately to third-party web hosting company. Q. What are web hosting limits? A. Web hosting limits are very generous. Views and transfer limits reset monthly. Funnelify 10 allows you to create up to 10 funnels with up to 100 pages with following hosting limits: 100,000 views, 1,000 MB transfer, 100 MB internal storage. You can also use images stored outside. Funnelify Unlimited allows you to create unlimited funnels and pages with following hosting limits: 200,000 views, 2,000 MB transfer, 200 MB internal storage. You can also use images stored outside. Q. How many mini template blocks and full page templates I will get? A. You will get a large library of 220 mini template blocks and 50 full-page templates. It gives you access to the level of page variety previously possible only with micro-elements, but without the need of the expensive web designer to assemble. Q. Can I sell the created websites and/or create websites for clients? A. Included commercial license allows you to sell created websites and create websites for clients. Q. Do I need WordPress to display web pages created by Funnelify? A. No, you do not need WordPress or any other software to display pages. Q. Do I have to install it on my computer? A. No. It is cloud software, so you do not need to install anything on your computer. Q. Does Funnelify work on a Mac? A. Yes, it does. It is cloud-based software, so it works not just on Mac, but also on Windows, Linux, and Chromebook. Q. Is there a monthly fee to use it? A. Currently, it is being offered with a one-off payment. They plan to switch to a recurring membership at possibly $99 a month for personal and $199 a month for commercial license in future, when new customers will pay those monthly fees for the software use. But anyone that orders now is grandfathered, so you will never be billed again. Q. Do you have a money-back guarantee? A. Yes, they do have 14-day money-back guarantee. Just raise a ticket on their support desk support.marketro.com and they will refund your purchase in full.